another video on curry leaf plant. In today's video, we will see the art of pruning, nurturing your curry leaf plant to bushy perfection. In the vibrant world of indoor gardening, the curry leaf plant stands out as a prized companion, lending its aromatic leaves to enrich our culinary experiences. However, a common pitfall that many enthusiasts encounter is the challenge of leggy growth. In this, we explore the ramifications of neglecting to prune your curry leaf plant and delve into the transformative power of proper pruning techniques. Neglecting to prune your curry leaf plant can lead to a phenomenon known as leggy growth. This occurs when the plant becomes tall and spindly, with an inadequate number of branches and leaves. The once prominent bushy appearance gives way to a lopsided and less than ideal aesthetic. The remedy to this challenge is elegantly simple: regular pruning. By conscientiously trimming the tips of young shoots, gardeners can stimulate lateral branching, fostering a fuller and more bushy appearance. Consider this practice akin to giving your curry leaf plant a rejuvenating haircut, maintaining not only its visual appeal, but also promoting healthy and compact growth. If you like this video so far, consider subscribing to the channel and like the video. Equipped with a pair of clean and sharp pruning shears, gardeners are encouraged to engage in regular inspections of their curry leaf plants. The focus should be on identifying any leggy or straggly branches, with targeted trimming at the tips to induce fresh growth. The mantra here is moderation. Pruning is an art, and a delicate touch is often more effective than aggressive cutting. To truly appreciate the significance of proper pruning, envision the before and after transformation. On one side, a neglected leggy curry leaf plant. On the other, a beautifully pruned and bushy counterpart. The visual impact is striking, demonstrating how a little care and attention can breathe new life into your green companion. In conclusion, the art of pruning is a fundamental aspect of nurturing a flourishing curry leaf plant indoors, to ensure a bountiful supply of aromatic leaves for culinary endeavors. As gardeners, let us embrace the shears as tools of transformation, sculpting our curry leaf plants into vibrant, bushy specimens that bring joy to our homes. If you found this insight valuable, consider subscribing to the channel and like the video. Happy gardening!
Please give a like to the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.